I don't think I'll ever stop. I'm one of those people who grass never grows under my feet. I go at 100 miles an hour. I don't tend to slow down. I've had a lot of businesses in my life. Now here my next adventure is an antique store. I started using Shaklee with my dogs, who I refer to as my boys. I'm very fearful of chemicals and that kind of thing. So hearing of a natural way to have a clean facility was very intriguing to me. Not that long ago, I was feeling myself slow down a little bit. The pain of age is kind of starting to hit me. The idea of slowing down is intimidating, thinking that I won't be able to find these adventures and try new things. I had seen the effects of Shaklee with other people. I was kind of flabbergasted on the changes it could make and do it in such a natural way. I started using the health products for myself finally. I feel so good lately. I don't feel my age. I feel like I could run around the block and I can play with the boys. I'm looking forward to being able to collect an amazing amount of memories with this shop. I feel blessed.